Hello viewers, how are you? Hope you feel the best and the good way to see my videos. Today once again I am before you regarding the discussion about the mathematics. My today's topic is arithmetic progression, but there is an important part is that concepts of an AP. Okay, concepts of an AP. Today I would like to give you the very essence of the concept of the AP. What is the essence of the concept of AP? Usually what we write A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. and we reach to the last term representing it is A plus n minus 1 into D. Right. Okay, this is our first term. This is the last term, and the common difference is a D. This is a normal, and it is given in all the textbook. But today I am going to interpret you and give somehow in a different way. What is the different way? Just follow me now. I don't say that A is a first term. I say that A is the middle term of the whole AP. A is the middle term of the whole AP, representing on its right all the plus common difference. Understand properly? A is the middle term in the whole AP, representing all the plus D on its right side and representing minus D on its left side. Understand? Let's see that one. What? This is the middle term. A is the middle term. And I said you that A represent all the plus D on its right side with the A as a common. First one is A plus D. Okay. The next is A plus 2D. Right. What is that? A is the middle term and its right side it represent the plus D. Plus D, A plus D, again plus D, A plus 2D, again plus D, A plus 3D, and etc. A plus n minus 1 into D. Right. And if A is the middle term in AP, it represents all the minus D in its left side. What it is? A minus D. Okay. And again add minus D, A minus 2D. Okay, again add minus D, A minus 3D, etc. It represents A minus n minus 1 into D. Actually, this is the true and exact picture of the arithmetic progression. Hardly we may find in any of the syllabus textbook. But I feel it is very important. I feel it is very need that it must be made understand to all the students. Usually our students are only acquainted and they are made to know about these things only, but actually this is the correct way. Okay, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus n minus 1 into D. Then what is the preceding term of the A? A is not only the first beginning. Understand? A is not only the first beginning term. For our convenience to say that A is the first term. And A is a unique in AP because it does not have any difference at all. It is the single unique term. When you proceed on to the right, it go on adding plus D. When you proceed on to the left, it go on just adding minus D. Okay. Now, one important concept today we are all in the discussion about the concept of the AP. First concept is this one. Okay, I represent this form of arithmetic progression in number line. So my middle like 0, it is not a 0. In place of 0 I represent A. The first it is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and it is the last is A plus n minus 1 into D. and they are all right. right of the A. And what about this? A minus D, A minus 2D, A minus 3D, and it is A minus N minus 1 into D. It is all onto the left. This concept our student need to know that what exactly the AP is all about. Actually, when we consider A is the middle term, if we take the 3 terms, its sum is 3A. If you take the 5 terms, its sum is 5A. If you take the 7 terms, the sum is 7A. I tell you that. Let's take the 3 terms in AP. 3 terms in AP. What are the 3 terms? I said you A is the middle one, A plus D and A minus D. Make the sum of these 3. A plus which is equal to minus D plus D which is equal to 3A. Am I correct? Now similarly 5 terms. 5 terms means what? A is in the middle, A plus D, A plus 2D, and in the preceding A minus D and A minus 2D. Make the sum of all the terms. When you make the sum of all the terms, minus D plus D minus 2D plus 2D, 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A and 5A. I said you, isn't it? So the way it's going to represent this A only. Yes, this is A only. If the 3 terms, A minus D, A plus D, 3A. If it is a 5 terms, A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D, it is a 5A, 7A and so on. So you understand well that how this is the concept of an AP. Okay. If you want to understand well now, I suggest particularly my 10th standard student, dear students, please repeat the video, see again and again, you understand the exact logic of this arithmetic progression. Okay. Now I am going to take you in another way. What is the another way now? Actually in my next video now I am going to take the sum to n terms of an AP. Sum to n terms of an AP. What the sum to n terms of an AP represent? First we write arithmetic progression A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. A plus n minus 1 into D. Call this is series 1. Adding all the terms, the progression changes to series S1. Okay, or you write it just generally, it is a S. S is equal to A plus D plus A plus 2D plus A plus 3D plus A plus n minus 1 into D. For the same series, I would like to make a reverse for that one. Means the last term will assume the first term position and the first term will reach into the last position. See that one. Here A is the first term and A plus n minus 1 into D is the last term. In my reverse form of the series, I write A plus n minus 1 into D plus what is the preceding term to A plus n minus 1 into D? Remember, A plus n minus 1 into D and its preceding is what? Backside. Then you add minus 1 to it. It becomes A plus n minus 2 into D. Alright. And what is the preceding term for this n minus 2? Add minus 1. A plus n minus 3 into D. I hope you understand this one. The same way I write it, A plus n minus 2 into D plus A plus n minus 3 into D dot etc. plus A. Okay. My first term to be added in common is, the first one is A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the first term of the first series and this is the reverse and last term of the first series. The two are added, then this will be equal to 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Do you understand? I reverse this one. First term and the last term A plus n minus 1 into D. Do you understand? The second term to be added, what is that? A plus D, this one, and this second term of this second series, A plus n minus 2 into D, isn't it? So first you add, AA is a common term, it's a 2A. AA is a common term, is a 2A. Then what do we have? Plus D plus n minus 2 into D. Okay, 2A plus, this is 1 plus n minus 2. Okay, and D is taken as common. D is taken from out and D is taken from out. Remember that. I have taken D as a common outside. From D, it is a 1. From n minus 2 into D, D is out, it is just n minus 2. Then 2A plus, this is 1 plus n minus 2 into D. Then 2A plus minus 2 plus 1 is n minus 1 into D. Again the same terms, isn't it? The same way, when you add A plus 3D plus A plus n minus 3 into D, the same way you add it. This is A is a common, you add it very easily. Plus 3D plus this is actually what? A 2A plus A plus D, sorry, it is A plus 2D. I have forgotten to take this. A plus 2D and A plus n minus 3 into D, that one. This is what? This one, and we take it as A plus 2A plus A, 2A plus 2D, n minus 3 into and D, isn't it? So what you do? 2A plus, take the D as common from this one, 2 plus n minus 3, and D will come out. D has come out from n minus 3, D has come out from 2D. So 2A plus 2 minus 3 is n minus 1 into, again it is D. So the whole way when we go on adding now, the common things we get is 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. S plus S, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Order 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Each term is 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So on. How many 2A plus n minus 1 into D? It is n into n terms, 2A plus n minus 1 into D, which is equal to S plus S is what? 2S. Okay. This is one n series, this is another n series, Sn, Sn. It will be equal to what? It is 2Sn. Okay. Therefore, Sn is equal to n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. This is our Sn formula. I have elaborately interpreted that how we get 2A plus n minus 1 into D in every addition. Understand? So I have taken A and A plus n minus 1 into D, A plus D into A plus n minus, A plus D plus A plus n minus 2 into D, A plus 2D plus A plus n minus 3 into D, etc. etc. A plus n minus 1 into D plus A. This is the way that how we are going to add the things, and we get the formula of Sn is equal to n by 2 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Please pay attention, listen it carefully. Today I have given you a very different concept, usually which is not prevalent and which is not found in any of the syllabus textbook. So my students, do just watch the videos and subscribe it, share it, and make a use of these things. With this hope, I am going to take a leave from you, hoping you that you will understand the things very good and in a very understanding way. With this, I am going to conclude my video. All the best. Thank you.